in the traffic again. So this is our breakfast. I know. October, traumatic month last year. I love this photo. She's depressed, bro. I swear to you. Just took a body wash. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. It is Jolker. So today is Saturday and we had college. Okay, we just came for 1 hour and after now we are going to eat our breakfast. I'm craving for some nice dosa or something like that because early in the morning I was in a rush, so I did not get the time to come. But yeah, now we are going to this place called Airlines. So we are stuck in the traffic again. We are... How far are we actually? We are almost 20 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. Fine, we are 10 minutes away from the location. Aditi is here. Say hi. Where is the other friend, Shirin? Shirin is sleeping, guys. She does not care about her attendance. So this is our breakfast. I had ordered masala dosa and Aditi has gone for akki roti, and this is Airlines. Sorry, the camera angle is thoda like that because we legit eating. Try to kya? You know, I can't finish it. I feel last time also when I came I did not finish it.
The chutney is heavily.
They don't give me chutney only. Sambar is good, bro.
How was the chutney? I love this chutney.
This is my first time trying akki roti. I've never tried it. Good, bro.
It's very healthy also.
We came inside the car only because outside it was very uncomfortable. How is your akki roti, bro?
Too good.
Huh?
Too good.
Too good. Dosa is also really good. If you're coming to Bangalore and you want to try some good dosa and any kind of like South Indian breakfast, you should surely come to Airlines once. It's really, really nice. They're now drinking filter coffee.
Dikha to the.
They know now what does coffee look like.
No, coffee like.
Oh my god, they put too much sugar because of you, bastard.
It's still kadwa.
No, bro, they put too much sugar.
So ye le. Try this if you like this. I'm still finding this kadwa.
No, bro, mine is too sweet. Same, bro, it's so sweet. This girl, she asked the waiter to add more sugar, okay? And now filter coffee became this sweet. Filter coffee is not supposed to be sweet, you know.
But I can't drink kadwa wala coffee, bro.
One of the best filter coffees. There.
For me, Chennai Satkar.
Huh?
First is Satkar.
Like there is a really good place near my college, okay, where we get like so good filter coffee. It's so good. I hope you guys know that Karnataka is known for its filter coffee. So it's what is it, like a national drink. Bro, filter coffee originated from Karnataka.
Yeah, but it's famous,
famous all over
South India.
but then it originated from Karnataka.
Because even Tamilians drink filter coffee a lot.
I've seen it. Hey guys, so Aditi and I, we are going for a walk to Brigade Road, okay? It's just like a walking distance. And we both love to do all this stupid stuff, okay? We went and did tarot reading today, okay? And I swear, in my entire life now, I've never felt this scared hearing about my own life. Very bad, bro. But something she told good also. How much do you rate the accuracy out of here? Because what she told, some of them were so true. Some of the incidents that she told was actually very like accurate, and that happened in our life. So this is the reason why, like, I would say, like, I 50, not even 50, bro. I believe 80%, but 20% I'm like, okay, fine. So yeah, guys, we did tarot reading, and
And then one thing, you should never let me and Tenzing just go alone anywhere.
Alone anywhere
You just
because
waste money.
Waste money like. Bro. Seti, man. But yeah, day is very beautiful. It's very sunny here in Bangalore. Seti and I, we have come to end of Church Street. We are in Museum Crossroad. Wow. We're right in front of this Sobha Mall. She's depressed, bro. I swear to God. We are so depressed after reading our tarot cards. I'm making Aditi do a lot of things that I keep on doing, and she's saying, chal, because she's seeing me. She's saying embarrassing or what?
Yeah.
Why? What's the crime in clicking photo or making
Not
a
in
video
public.
of your? Then where do you wanna click? Inside the cupboard, huh? You only click inside the cupboard, inside your room and all. See, we are wearing denim. She's wearing black shirt, I'm wearing white. We're always like that only, bro. But it was not an intentional OOTD. So guys, we are back to airlines after a walk, okay, and we're just talking about our past relationships and just about life. And then this chick was like, what did you do in school? We're talking about how we are as a girlfriend. What did you try?
See, I get it, okay. First,
What did you do?
no, this is not relationship at all. Just like that, as a friend, I was possessive, okay. So one girl came in, sat on one of my guy friends' lap. I got so possessive, I broke her nose only, bro.
She broke her nose just because she sat.
Yeah, I got suspended also for it.
I did not do all that, bro. My guy used to do. One guy just came randomly and he just told me, oh, you're looking really cute in your ID card, okay? Bro, he brought his whole gang just to smack him, just because he told me I look cute in my ID card, bro.
फिर डॉन आया मेरे को सेव करने.
Come down. Oh, you're a father. What are your relationships stories? You can comment down. You can share with us.
Yeah.
The world actually.
I would love to know.
Even I would love to know, because I thought that only we are the ones who are always like psychopaths. So the thing is, like, the song, okay, that song is from 3 Idiots. Give me some sunshine, okay, and it's give me some rain. So there's one very close friend of ours who doesn't use her brain so much, okay. So I was like, randomly, I was like, yeah, but instead of she singing this song like, give me some sunshine, give me some rain, she'll sing, give me some sunshine, give me some brain, give me another chance, I wanna prove myself again. Guys, Aditi revealed something regarding me. What did you reveal? Please tell. She first smelled my hair and then she's like, oh, you smell like a baby, like so sweet, like the cute babies.
Go where you can.
She told that I smell like a baby, and then she again smells me. She takes a sniff and then she's like, you smell like those typical who just came out of the womb.
You tell me if Tenzing doesn't look like a very cute baby in this. I mean, look at her, bro. Okay, there. See. So
please, bro, I look like I'm about to cry.
I
was
so
crying.
Cute. Yeah, you were crying. But you look so cute. I don't know. कब का है ये? 13th October. I don't know.
I know. Oh, what was I crying? October. Traumatic month last year.
This is so cute. This photo. I love this photo. बहुत cute दिखती है इसमें.
I am cute, that's why.
See the live also. Babe.
Hey guys, so I just came home and I was feeling really hungry, okay? So it's been like what, I guess about 5 hours since I last ate. So I was thinking of making some coca or ramen. Let's just see what's there inside my suitcase, and accordingly I'll make lunch for myself. So I saw that I have chicken coca, so I'll be making this with some dalle and the chicken pickle that I bought from home. So guys, this is my coca. I have my chicken pickle, dalle and the coca. Let's mix it. Here is my noodles. Let's try. First I'll go with the broth. Wow. So good. So good. Try this combination. Coca, dalle, cheese. It's so good. I don't have cheese, but then I put chicken pickle. This compensates. So guys, after eating, I've come to my terrace to do my laundry. So I'll be doing my laundry now. I just thought of cleaning my room and everything, so yeah. So guys, I just took a body wash. Now I just put on my face pack. I'm just gonna let it dry. And I finished cleaning my whole room. I'm so satisfied by cleaning everything. Now, I don't know, let's see what will I do. Most probably, I'm gonna be reading my book. So this year I've made a resolution that I'll go back to my reading, and this book is something like, I've read till here or somewhere like that. In the middle, I just left it for 3-4 years. So I've started to read it again, and yeah, I'm in page number 154. So I guess I'm gonna read this book or watch something on Netflix or Amazon Prime. Hey guys, so it's evening and we have planned to come to Seti's evening. Yeah, sorry, it's night. We plan to come to corner house near Seti's place. So we've ordered cake fudge. This is corner house. So guys, we have come to Domino's Pizza for our dinner. Aditi is not gonna eat. Shireen and I, we are gonna have tacos with some rice and chicken pops or something like that. This is our food. So guys, today's the next day. I just came back from my college and yesterday we slept over at Seti's place itself. So on Saturday I have my ethnic day. For that I'm going to be wearing a sari, so I'm going to be posting a vlog then also, so please stay tuned for that vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you all did, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again on Sunday with a brand new vlog, ethnic day. Till then, stay safe, take care, and I love you guys. Bye.